Did you know that robots are now flipping burgers in some of the world's busiest fast food chains? Yes, you heard right. The rise of the burger robots is upon us. More and more fast food chains, from the local burger joints to the international behemoths, are embracing this technological wave. The reason? Efficiency and consistency. Robots can work tirelessly, churning out the same perfectly cooked, perfectly assembled burger every single time. There's no room for human error or variation. They don't call in sick, they don't need breaks, and they certainly don't need a paycheck at the end of the month. Burger chains like White Castle and Cali Burger are already leading the charge, deploying these burger-flipping robots in their kitchens and reaping the benefits. It's a fascinating shift in the way our food is prepared, and it's happening right now. So how exactly do these burger-flipping robots work? You might be wondering, how can a machine flip a burger as well as a human can? It's a fair question, and the answer lies in an intricate dance between sensors, algorithms, and mechanical precision. Let's start with the mechanics. Picture a robotic arm, sleek and efficient, capable of movements as delicate as a sous chef's. This isn't your typical industrial robot. It's designed for the culinary arts, with a flair for the dramatic sizzle of a burger on the grill. Now let's add some brain power to that brawn. This is where sensors and algorithms come into play. The machine is equipped with a suite of sensors, each one finely calibrated to measure a different aspect of the cooking process. There are temperature sensors to ensure that each patty reaches the perfect level of doneness, optical sensors to monitor color changes, and even pressure sensors to make sure the burger is flipped at just the right moment. These sensors feed data into a central processing unit, where algorithms take the helm. These algorithms, the result of countless hours of testing and tweaking, are the secret sauce that makes burger-flipping robots so effective. They analyze the sensor data in real time, making split-second decisions about when to flip a burger, how long to cook it, and when it's ready to be served. From the moment a raw patty is placed on the grill, it's under the watchful eye of these algorithms. They orchestrate the entire cooking process, ensuring that every burger is cooked to perfection every time. There's no guesswork involved, no room for human error, just consistent, mouth-watering results. And it's not just about flipping burgers. These robots can assemble a full meal, placing the cooked patty on a bun, adding the right amount of condiments, and serving it up with a side of fries. All in a day's work for our mechanical maestro. These robots are undoubtedly impressive, but what does their rise mean for the food industry? The emergence of these burger-flipping robots has already begun to reshape the food industry. Now, let's delve into how this revolution in the culinary world is stirring the pot. For starters, these machines offer increased efficiency. They work tirelessly, flipping and serving burgers at a pace that would leave even the most experienced chefs breathless. And with precision that's second to none, they're drastically cutting down on food waste. But that's not all. These robots also raise the bar for food safety standards. They're not prone to human error, they don't get sick, and they certainly don't sneeze on your food. Every burger they serve is prepared to the same exacting standards each and every time. However, as with any seismic shift, there are potential downsides. While these robots are capable of flipping hundreds of burgers an hour, they're also potentially flipping humans out of jobs. That's a sobering reality we must grapple with. Yet, it's not all doom and gloom. This rise of the machines could lead to a transformation of roles within the food industry. Humans might step away from the grills and into roles that require more creativity and customer interaction, breathing a new life into the industry. As these robots continue to flip burgers, we can only wait and see what the future holds for the food industry. Today, we've learned something fascinating about the fast food industry. We've delved into the rise of burger-flipping robots, explored the intricate workings of these mechanical chefs, and pondered their potential impact on our beloved food industry. The future of dining is here. It's automated and it's flipping delicious. As we continue to innovate, who knows what other surprising changes we'll see in our kitchens. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.